Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. If you love the charm of farmhouse style but crave a touch of modern sophistication, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll explore elegant interior decoration ideas that seamlessly blend the rustic warmth of a farmhouse with the clean lines and chic accent of modern design. So let's dive in. Neutral color palette. Start with a neutral color palette of whites, creams, and soft grays to create a serene and sophisticated backdrop. This hues provides a timeless canvas that allows other elements of your decor to shine. Layer different textures throughout your space to create depth and visual interest. Combine smooth surfaces like marble countertops with rough-hewn wood accent, plush textiles, and matte finishes for a harmonious balance of modern and rustic elements. Make a statement with bold and eye-catching lighting fixtures that serve as focal point in each room. Consider oversized lanterns, industrial-style pendant lights, or sleek chandeliers with a farmhouse twist to add drama and elegance to your space. Incorporate reclaimed wood accent into your decor to infuse warmth and character. Whether it's a reclaimed wood accent wall, floating shelves, or a farmhouse dining table, these features add rustic charm while maintaining a modern sensibility. Install a farmhouse sink with a sleek and modern facade for a perfect marriage of style and functionality. These classic features add a touch of nostalgia while the contemporary facade lends a fresh and updated look to your kitchen or bathroom. Showcase your favorite dishes, glassware, and decor pages with open shelving displays in the kitchen or dining area. Option for floating shelves made of reclaimed wood or metal brackets for a modern farmhouse aesthetic that's both practical and stylish. Incorporate vintage accent such as antique mirrors, distressed furniture, or vintage-inspired artwork to add personality and charm to your space. These unique pieces tell a story and create a sense of history within your modern farmhouse decor. Add warmth and comfort to your home with cozy textiles such as plush straw blankets, foxfur pillows, and soft area rugs. Choose natural materials like wool and cotton in muted tones to complement the neutral color palette and enhance the inviting atmosphere. Bring the outdoors in with fresh greenery and florals to breathe life into your modern farmhouse space. Display potted plants, buckets of flowers, or a vase of freshly cut branches to add a touch of natural beauty and organic charm. Elegant modern farmhouse interior decoration seamlessly combines the timeless charm of rustic farmhouse style with the sleek sophistication of modern design. By incorporating elements such as neutral color palettes, reclaimed wood accent, statement lighting fixtures, and vintage touches, you can create a space that exudes warmth, character, and elegance. Whether you are renovating your kitchen, updating your living room, or redesigning your entire home, These ideas provide a blueprint for achieving a stylish and inviting modern farmhouse aesthetic. Embrace the beauty of natural materials, the allure of vintage finds, and the simplicity of clean lines to transform your space into a haven of comfort and sophistication. We hope these tips inspire you to create the modern farmhouse interior of your dreams. Which of these modern farmhouse interior decoration ideas are you most excited to incorporate into your own home? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration. Here's to creating a space that's both elegant and inviting. Until next time, happy decorating.